Morning, everyone. Today we're on day 7 of Mornings with God Daily Bible Devotional. So today we're going to talk about taking that leap of faith. And our Bible reading today is from Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through him who gives me strength. And the King James Version says, I can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth me. So Paul learned to be content despite any circumstance. While we're often given this verse to encourage us to believe we can do anything, in context, Paul asserts that you can do all that God is calling you to do. Take that deep leap of faith to fulfill your calling. When natural circumstances do not appear favorable, trust that God will align the right people and opportunities, and he'll open doors. Do not allow unfavorable circumstances to dissuade you, rather than challenge you. God is with you in everything. A lot of times, whenever I'm trying to just live out this life that he's called me to do, I feel so unequipped. And I am definitely not a public speaker. I would rather, be behind the scenes and writing what other people could say. But God calls you to do something, you just have to do it. And just trust that he'll give you the ability and the courage and the strength to do it. I wasn't going to get personal on here, but honestly, there's things, that has happened that there was no way that I ever dreamed in a million years that anybody would be able to make it through to the other side of. But when I say I can do all things through God who gives me strength, that is the God's honest truth. He's shown me that with him, all things are possible. So, just let me know how I can pray for you today. And y'all have a blessed day. See you tomorrow.